Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is April 3rd. It is our last day of this first week of Flex Learning. So with that, I want to say how amazed I am at all of you doing such a great job with this. I figured you would anyways, because you always do, all of you do when you actually try. Okay, but it's just cool. I can tell that you're putting the effort in, and it's just really cool to see all of you be successful like this. So shout out to all of you. Everybody has been successful, of course, except Schoology. Schoology is not great, of course. But as we do the assignment today, assuming that Schoology will have issues because it has every day so far, just keep emailing me and I will send you links to the assignment that actually work. I know it's a pain, but I'm just trying to figure out a way to make this work still. So thank you for your patience with Schoology. I know you're probably frustrated. I'm frustrated, and hopefully they fix their crap after spring break. With spring break, it is next week, and we do not have school stuff to do, which I know is weird because we're already sitting at home all day. But you won't have any additional flex learning to do. However, I'm going to leave my stuff open so that you can go in and finish an assignment you didn't complete this week. You can go on vocabulary.com, or you can just do anything that you didn't finish. Okay. So you'll have an extra time to do it, because I know it's we're all just sitting home anyways. You can also still contact me. I'm here for you. So contact me next week if you need anything, just want to talk. I probably won't get back to you as fast, but I'll be sitting at home, not having a whole lot to do like a lot of us. So just keep that in mind. Doesn't mean I'm gone just because it's spring break. I still got your back. What else? Oh yeah, the video issues. A couple of you mentioned that there are issues with the video quality yesterday. So I'm going to be trying to upload it differently to YouTube today. If you continue to have issues with the video, please let me know. It helps me a lot when when you tell me that there's issues like that. Okay? All right. I think that's it. So I'm going to get into this. Our to-do list for today. Learning objective. I can complete the Black Lives Matter article assignment and offer feedback on how to improve flex learning moving forward or going forward. Okay? I wish I could have one of you read it like you used to. Maybe we can figure out a way to do that, because I like when you read it better than me. Number 1 is to watch this video like every day. Number 2, you're going to complete there's a discussion post in the Friday folder of Flex Learning. So again, show you, I think you know how to do this, but extended Flex Learning, week 1, yours doesn't look as cluttered. And then Friday, this discussion post here, it's just a couple questions, not like school related, just kind of check-in questions. When you do this, make sure you reply to your classmates as well, okay? All right. After that, there's a Flex Learning week 1 feedback that I'd like for you to complete. It's just a survey asking you a few things. I'm doing this because I want you to give me feedback on specifically how English has gone, okay? I know all your teachers are probably doing stuff a little different. So if mine is going well or confusing, or just you think it could be improved, I would really like to know how, because I want to do what I can on my side to make it be successful for you, okay? So answer these questions. Please answer them honestly, and please actually take your time doing this. Don't just write IDK, no. Actually give me reasons why if you say that it's not going well, or think of actual improvements that could be made, okay? Be very much appreciated. So after that, you're going to complete that Black Lives Matter article assignment from yesterday and submit it. I gave you yesterday and today to work on it because I know it was a little bit of a difficult reading. So this is what that looks like if you haven't been to it yet. If you still aren't able to open this today, email me and I'll send you a link. That's what a lot of you were having issues with yesterday, because Schoology doesn't know how to do school. So I have directions for summarizing too. I noticed some of you, we haven't really focused on summarizing during school a lot yet. And I noticed some of you were summarizing by just copy and pasting parts of a paragraph, which is cool. Using textual evidence, which is awesome. You know how to do that, I can tell. But make sure you're putting some of your own, putting it in your own words too. Use these. So what is the main idea of the paragraph? What is a fact from the paragraph? Okay? So for this one, don't just be like, oh yeah, I'm going to copy all this and paste it. No, tell me what was about in your words. Okay? If you still are stuck on that, join my office hours today or email me, and I will happily help you with that. That's what I'm here for. After that, also, by the way, submit this when you're done on Schoology. If Schoology lets you, it might not. But if it doesn't let you, I guess maybe you can just share it with me or something so I know you're done, or email me. When you're done with that, read for 15 minutes. I have 15 minutes instead of 20 today because it's a little bit of a longer, or a little bit more stuff to do today, so I don't want to overwhelm you. You can read more, obviously. When you're done with the reading, though, make sure you finish your journal log. You should have all of them done except Friday, so just finish that Friday one. When you're done with the whole week of journal logs, submit that to Schoology, if it lets you. I just realized I spelled something wrong, and you're all going to yell at me and tell me I'm dumb if I didn't fix this. Especially you, JJ. All right. So that is all we have for today. I think I covered everything. Yeah, I mean, I would tell you what I'm doing this weekend, but it's not really. I mean, I'm sure no one's really doing anything because we can't. So I'm just gonna be sitting around most of the time, maybe trying to cook something good. Cooking's been fun now when it's like I have more time to do it and kind of make new recipes and stuff. So it's kind of my plans for the weekend. If you'd like to share your plans, join Office Hours. We'll talk about it. If you haven't joined Office Hours, by the way, you should join just so you know how. Or I know that you know how, and we can check in. Okay? It's great seeing you guys. A couple of you joined yesterday that haven't yet. So, yeah. All right. Do the survey and stuff, and we'll talk. Have a great weekend if you don't see me in Office Hours, and stay rad.